experience by using investing-driven ideas. So we, like my partner just said, our idea is like weaken the Australian dollar and think the US dollar will going up. So our opening price is 0.9126 and we short sell it. So the first close, we do two simulations. The first one is what's going to happen if the price went up to this amount of number. And another one is what if the price went down, which is we are possible to make money to this price level. So now is the case of investing. So based on this point, this amount, at here you guys can see this line is our opening price. So we also find a resistance level on the weekly chart. So we see this line is a pretty strong resistance level. So we set it up as our close, like the close precision point. And by looking at the hourly chart, we see here the 0.9166 is the first place we will keep selling it for 10% of our total set. And this is the second point, we will continue to sell it by total amount of 10% of our set. And this is the close price. So here is the result of the gambling, the gambling-driven ideas. So let's invite my partners to talk about this part.
As you guys know, Liz try to focus on investment, and I just want to gamble. And for me, I have 15% to win and 15% to lose. And I don't know the price will up or down. So for me, I just in case one, I just do the short position, and I sell it at the price of 0.9126. And in the first situation, the final price is 0.93828, and we can see the result. When the price is 0.9328, I lose 202 basis points, and I lose the. This is my loss, and my ROI, the return on investment is minus 331.33%. And or when I when I buy it at the price of 0.19126, and the final result, I win this morning, and the total investment, we can see the ROI is the minus 31.33%. And in the case 2, we can see that if I do the short position at the price of 0.9126, and the final result, I win this morning, and we can see the ROI is minus 15.53%. But if I buy it at this price, I lost this morning, and the ROI is minus 15.57%. And so we can see the money I can gain and the money I will lose is almost higher than the investment result.
So now let me back to the result of investing. So here's the simulation we made for the case that what if the price keep going up and the amount will lose. So basically our trading strategy is that actually it's 9126. Doesn't matter. Okay. At this price. Sorry. So at this point, we open our position, and what if the price goes up to this amount of level, we keep selling it for 10%. And then if the price keep going up to this amount, to this level, like here, we still keep selling it. And if the price hits this amount, we're going to close our position. But we will see what if it didn't hit the close position and it goes to the 0.88. We're going to win a lot amount of money. So we are doing the two extremely situation that what's going to happen. The maximum amount we can lose and the maximum amount we can gain. So